Most people don't click your ads, not because your product sucks, not because the algorithm hates you, but because your ad doesn't speak to their actual brain. Let's talk about it on today's Marketing Minute. I'm Tony Wright. Here's the deal. Humans are wired to ignore what doesn't feel relevant. We scroll past anything that doesn't trigger one of three things: pain, curiosity, or ego. Let's break that down. Pain is the most powerful motivator. Your ad should whisper, hey, that thing that's stressing you out, I can fix it. Curiosity pulls the scroll to a stop. Ask a question, show a weird image, break a pattern. If they can predict what's coming, you've already lost. And ego is where people live. Make the message about them, not about your company, not your awards, about them. Also, stop using generic stock photos and corporate jargon. No one believes solution-driven synergy for dynamic teams. Try to say that 10 times really fast. Say what you mean. Talk like a human. If people aren't clicking, they're not feeling anything. Your ad has to spark an emotion or it disappears like every other forgettable post in their feed. So next time you run an ad, ask, does this hit a pain point, curiosity, or ego? Or am I just talking to myself? My name's Tony Wright, and this has been your Marketing Minute.